Windows PC randomly shuts down, frozen, hanging, blue screen, and sort of things like this. Then here is how you can visit. Here is how you can fix this issue before considering formatting your device completely. So these steps might help you to fix it. 98% assurance that if you follow what I want to give to you in this video, this issue is going to be solved once and for all. The first you have to do is to be sure that your device is running on the latest version of the OS, which is known as operating system. So to do that, right click on the start menu or start icon, click on settings, then scroll down to the base here where you see Windows Update, click on it. Now here you can see that this computer is not up to date, so check for updates. Then once the update is available, then click on the update and run the update. So in the process, your computer might shut down, restart several times. Don't just bother, wait for it to update and fix any issue that might cause your computer to freak somehow, to lag somehow, or to shut down without your permission. Even sometimes if your computer is bringing out blue screen, this process will definitely fix it. And if this does not fix it, then that is when, or that is why, you need to follow the second steps we are taking. We are bringing to you guys in this video. The second process is very simple as well. So what you have to do is to run a simple command on your device, and this can be done a very simple process. So to do that, come to the search bar here, type cmd. Now run as administrator, not anyhow. Now let me chip into things here. If you run as, just open it as command prompt here without administration. Now two things happens: no option to accept yes or not. And take a look at what you see. You have your username here instead of system. So this, when you open like this, it will not work. So you must run as administrator. Let's come back again, type cmd in the space provided here, then right click, run as administrator. Then you should be able to see a button that says yes. Click on this yes button. Now it comes out like this. Now you have this one that says Windows instead of users. Now once you are here, enter this prompt, sfc space / scan now, then hit the enter button. Then wait for this to scan. This might take a little while depending on the file you have on your computer. Sometimes you may have to wait for hours if what you have on your laptop is as huge as anything. So just wait for this process to fully complete, and this is going to scan your system, fix any error that is in your system, thereby preventing freezing, unwanted shutdown, automatically shuts down, or random shutting down on your device. So just take your time, allow this to allow this to scan your computer completely. And once the scanning has been completed, you have to restart your device so that it will take effect after that. The last but not the least option here is very simple. Open the file explorer here. Let me expand this. Now go and click on your PC. It brings you to this interface. Here is where my window is. You should always see this logo to identify that your Windows is installed here. So once you click on this one, right click on it, then select properties. Once you selected properties, then come to the one that says tools, click on it. Now under tools, this button, error checking, this option will check the drives for file system error. So if there's any file that is causing your device to lag, to freeze, even to shut down, this process is going to help you correct that. Click on this check button. Once you click on this check button, you have this option here. We haven't found any error on this drive. You can still scan this drive for error if you want. So it tells me that error is not on my device or drive, but it also gives me an option that I can still run this scan if I want to. Yes, I want to. So let me click on this button to run for me, and you can see it's going to take about 30 seconds. Sometimes it's more than that. So this has to do with the kind of files you have on your device. That's determine how long it's going to take to complete the scanning process. And once the process has been fully scanned, if there is any error, it's going to fix the error. This will also prevent your window from shutting down automatically or randomly. It's going to prevent your window from freezing. It's going to prevent your window from unnecessary misbehaving. You can see that this drive was successfully scanned. Window successfully scanned. No error was found. So you close this page. This is done. Let's check back to this. You can see that this is still scanning. You see, that is why I said this have to take time. But once you're able to complete the scanning process, it's going to help you fix a lot of things and start your computer once the scanning process has been completed. And that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please can subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments in the comment section. So I will see you guys in our next video.